shadow person down in there.
Yeah.
Showing himself to me a little bit.
I can see. Sort of.
Off to the right.
Head in there. Let's see if I can see it.
When something happens though that ain't usual,
Yeah.
that's what we want to know. So to me that's unusual, but if you know it's unusual, then just go ahead and clarify with us.
That's me.
Is that you?
Yeah, me bumping. Just trying to feel around here.
See, I was picking up a shadow figure
Right in here.
standing like this and doing something like this.
Yeah. That's what I was seeing. And everything. But you can't see it. Give me a chance to walk around and check this place out. Yeah. That dinged. That's them walking through, must be. Look.
What?
Look at the camera. That looks like a shadow person right there. See it? But it ain't. It's some kind of shade.
So you had something strike up there. I don't know if that was Sarah or.
They might have been. They might have been. They might have been coming through. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to see if
Is
anything.
there an upstairs here?
No.
Okay.
Trying to see if I see anything in the night vision.
I feel like been a lot of people that have noticed things.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Has anybody been touched and not? I mean, you know, I know it's hard in a factory to talk about things like that probably, but I feel like people may have been touched.
A lot of people seen stuff or hear stuff.
But does you guys talk about it or not?
Oh yeah, we talk about anything. We're one of the people. We talk about any damn anything.
Some people don't want to talk about it because
They about shit when we got that picture of that dog and cat.
Oh yeah, from the bookstore.
Bookstore. I showed him. I said, I asked, what's that? Dog and cat? I said, well, they're dead because you could see right through them.
Yeah.
But they's good pictures, plain as day.
I haven't picked up the dog and cat at the bookstore yet, but I did pick up the little girl with black hair.
Did you go down the basement?
Yes, I did. Oh, yeah, I'll explain that to you if you want me to. I can do it tonight, or I can explain it to you Saturday night.
Because that's you seen the Shadow Man?
I didn't see a shadow man, but as soon as I got done going down the stairs, I was drawn to the right corner.
Where the portal was?
No, not where the portal's at. Actually,
Oh.
the other end. And I went over there,
Yes, sir.
and I was talking to the lady who works there, and I picked up a guy. He was probably somewhere in his 30s or 40s. He'd fallen and had broken his hip, but he didn't die from a broken hip. He died from pneumonia because he couldn't get up and get around.
Oh, yeah.
So that's what he got. That's what got him. But I picked up where your portal's at.
Yeah.
Not only does it come in there, it also goes out here. But the reason why they think they see a doppelganger is because what it's doing is something is putting a barrier across that way, and it's reflecting. When you look on the outside of it, it reflects your image back outside of it.
Oh, yeah.
But what's on the other side of the portal
Yeah.
can see through just nice and easy.
Oh, yeah.
So I don't know, and I think the portals are connected through Tip City to other buildings.
Yeah, see, that's what I've been trying to do. I've been trying to get the other buildings and stuff.
Yes. There's an antique store that's going to have one.
Yeah, the antique store is.
And there's something across the street. And there's a couple of them throughout that does that. And that's how they're traveling around, is through those portals.
Yeah.
Since you brought that up,
Which in Tip City we're doing next week on Saturday, the bookstore. Which one we were talking about?
yeah, people say they see people walk legs down through there, and then everybody can.
That's what I'm doing. I'm trying to see. Oh, did you take a picture?
Now, I don't know how good that app is, but I'm not going to say it's not.
I think a couple of weeks ago, guy was right there. And he saw me walk in there.
No.
They turned around and saw me come out of the damn bathroom.
Yeah, the doppelganger.
Yeah.
What about it?
She was paying attention to that corner. Then after we're in the boxes, something jumped on it. Forgot or whatever.
I thought you were pretty good. Best way to do.
Damn it, man.
What?
Got you.
Oh, you're supposed to record me. Wish these had a bigger screen. Stop this first one at 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna start my next video. And then I'll start doing the.
Maybe that one where it looks like a cloud, same.
Yeah.
You can see shit. Like, Scott,
Oh yeah.
on your phone.